Commissioner, I recently had a very poignant meeting with a family in my office in Maine whose daughter had suffered for years, since she was age 11, from uncontrolled seizures. And she had been unable to control her convulsions with regular seizure medications. And her family finally decided to have her try a tincture extracted from marijuana with a high CBD value, which does not cause the psychogenic effects of smoking marijuana. And just so my colleagues don't misunderstand, I am opposed to the legalization of marijuana the way that Colorado has done. But for this young girl, the results have truly been remarkable and life-changing. She's now a college freshman. She has not had seizures in many, many months, whereas before she was having them all the time. And she's not obviously experiencing any kind of high because of the tincture that she is taking, so it's not interfering with her in that way. I know that this drug, that a drug containing highly purified CBD, similar to the tincture that's being used by my constituent, is currently under investigation by the FDA under its expanded access investigational new drug program to help treat a few children with intractable epilepsy or other kinds of seizures. Could you tell me where you are in this process? Has consideration been given to expanding the number of young people who could participate in the program? And as a physician, do you have any preliminary thoughts on whether this may in fact be a promising treatment for children who have uncontrollable seizures?
Well, you raise many important issues. With respect to a specific product that might be under review by the FDA, without permission from the sponsor, I can't speak to that. But what I, certainly can say is that, number one, I think it's very important that we really study potential medical applications of marijuana and marijuana components, the active ingredients, in a controlled way so that we can really understand what works, how, and for what conditions. So I think that is a very important undertaking, and certainly this issue of that class of product for epilepsy, has been brought to my attention as an area where there are scientists and medical providers who believe it holds great promise. With respect to expanded access, while a drug is under study, we are very responsive to applications or requests that come. At the end of the day, it's the company that has to decide with affirmation from us to make the product available. But that is something where over a period of many years now, we have had an active program, and the majority of requests for expanded access that come before us are supported by the FDA.
Thank you very much.